Waar gaan ons?
Plaats. In die bush-veld.
In die bush-veld. Ons gaan bos toe. Sing het nou, Frik.
Tikkie bokke.
You can see now here. We are now here. Kijk daar, een mooie boom. It's playtime, mannen en mannen. Kom maar.
Yes. Geef 5 aan.
Ja.
Sorry.
Oké. Bye bye. Wat is die hailstones?
Van hout snijden.
Gaan ons uitsnijden, boetie?
Ja.
Ja. We're gonna cut some wood. Of boetie en sy hoed.
You're going to get some sunburn.
Not anymore.
Watch, I can't have it after.
It's news.
Paul Simon.
Paul Simon. Here in the bush-veld. And we are gonna cut some bomen now.
We're shining like a national guitar.
Out here in the bush now, and this is on a place here by the Waterberg, if you haven't noticed, the Waterberg. And with this we are gonna cut some wood for some woodwork here on the hailstone farm, or Verwey farm rather, not the hailstones farm. It's not in this side of the world, but look at this water of the Waterberg. Timber! Almost.
Dit is nou vir jou 'n gesukkel hierso. Dit is 'n stapie nader.
Jebo. Get it in there.
Dit is hierdie. Dit kom hap hom nog 'n klein.
Amper daar.
So twee hier in die middel. Maar verder is dit. Daar's hy mooi patroontjies. Dis net hier so. Daar so.
Oei. Watch the fingers. Our main character featuring Matthew Helsons here, walking by the plank.
Ja, dat is wel waar.
One, two, three. Oké, 1, 2, 3.
Kijk eens hoor.
2, 3. 2, 3.
Ah, zo zei.
Oké, nou?
Oké.
Jouw kant toe.
Ja, val hem maar die kant in.
Oké. Vast. Ja, dat is wel.
Begin harder. En nou, door ons. Ja. Nog hier zullen je wel afvinden.
There we are now, finished gesnij. Klaar gesnij, uncle? Yes, klaar gesnij. So we will now be taking a bath, splish splash here in the pool. Rora, get it!
Ik heb fights voor je.
I can't say bed pipi.
Hey. Stay off the ledge.
We are going for walkies. Oh, I'm going for walkies, and here we have a wild rainbow twitting it. But now we are walkies again. Yes, go rainbow! This morning we got some nice wood from the veld to make some furniture. And now we are heading out with the whole gang. You can see here's Pote also. Oh, Pote, Rainbow, and Rora. Pote, kom ons gaan. As you can see, so we are now going there by the bush again to make some coffee in the bush. Look at the thunder weather and continue resting. That's how you do it here in the bush-veld.
Misschien is het een steak.
Steak. This is a steak. Yo, look at that, like a steak standing there. Even there behind the grass. Another big steak. But the stakes are high here in the bergen. The stakes are very high.
No.
Papa, dat gaat lekker niks.
Ja. Si wonder hoekom dit so hard is.
Een beetje harder, boetie. Aan de kant toe. Dat is hij. Kom. Kom, beest. Here we are taking the beest to the kraal. Niet mee zo eind. Yes. Kom. Walking them without a leash. Yeah, boy. Rainbow. Yes. This is now our final stop for this weekend. And we had a lekker time on the plaas there. And the doggies is here by the rear. Rainbow. And Rora. And Uncle Hailstones.
William is not, yeah?
Okay. So yes, this is us. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Hey, come say goodbye, man. Of
Goodbye, man.
the outside inches. It's outside. Yes. So yeah, stay tuned for the upcoming next.
Over and out.
Over and out to the outside. Yes. Goodbye.